Can you eat sprouted garlic? I was fooled a long time ago. Now I know it's not too late. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Tracy Tips channel. Do you have any garlic that is already sprouted? Are you still keeping them, or have you already thrown them away? It's still not too late to pick up the garlic you tossed out, because today I'm going to show you 4 magical uses for sprouted garlic that no one has ever told you about. Especially the 4th tip, your living space will become clean and safe if you follow it. Sprouted garlic usually appears when the place where you store it is too damp, or the temperature changes frequently, creating perfect conditions for the cloves to start sprouting. When you notice your garlic growing shoots, it's best not to eat it anymore because by this time the amount of vitamin B, vitamin C minerals, and allicin oil has decreased significantly. In addition, changes in the enzymes and natural oils can make those with sensitive stomachs or ulcers feel bloated, experience acid reflux, or have mild stomach discomfort. You shouldn't eat it, but don't be too quick to throw it away either, because this is when sprouted garlic reveals its amazing hidden uses. Tip 1. Fertilize your plants and remove shoe odor. The first thing you can reuse from sprouted garlic is its skin. This is the part most people throw away thinking it's useless. But after today, don't toss it out anymore because it can truly work wonders for your home and garden. Start by gently peeling off the outer garlic skins. These thin layers are rich in sulfur compounds and potassium, both of which are great for plants. You can use them as a natural fertilizer. Once you've collected the skins, simply bury them in the soil of your potted plants or garden bed. Then lightly mist the soil with water to keep it moist. Over time, the garlic skins will naturally break down and release nutrients that help flowers bloom brighter and plants grow stronger. It's such a small habit, but it can make a big difference, and it doesn't cost a penny. Garlic skins also have another smart use. They're excellent for removing shoe odor, especially from closed shoes with poor ventilation. After wearing your shoes all day, just tuck a small handful of garlic skins inside and leave them overnight. Because they're dry and naturally absorbent, the skins help draw out moisture and neutralize unpleasant smells. By morning, the inside of your shoes will be dry, fresh, and completely odor-free. So next time you peel garlic, don't throw the skins away. Think of them as tiny helpers that keep your plants thriving and your home smelling fresh. Tip 2. Grow sprouted garlic at home with a simple hydroponic method. Another great way to reuse sprouted garlic is to grow your own fresh green garlic right at home. It's easy, clean, and you'll never have to buy green garlic from the store again. Start by peeling just a bit of the outer skin, no need to remove it completely. Then prepare a shallow bowl or plate and arrange the sprouted garlic cloves evenly inside. Pour in a small amount of room temperature water, just enough to cover the bottom of the cloves. Make sure the water doesn't submerge them completely, or the garlic might rot. Next, place the bowl on your balcony, kitchen windowsill, or any spot with gentle sunlight. Check the water level every day, and add a little more when it gets low. In just about 3 days, you'll notice bright green shoots growing taller each day. After a week, the garlic leaves will be long enough to cut and use in your cooking. They're flavorful, aromatic, and full of nutrients. The best part is, after trimming, the garlic will keep growing back 2 or 3 more times. This simple hydroponic method lets you enjoy crisp, homegrown green garlic all year round. It brings a touch of nature into your kitchen, fresh, vibrant, and full of life. Tip 3. Make a natural cleaner with garlic, baking soda, and white vinegar to remove grease. Here's another smart way to reuse sprouted garlic. Turn it into a powerful natural cleaner that cuts through grease and kills bacteria at the same time. It's safe, inexpensive, and works wonderfully on dishes, stovetops, or any oily surface in your kitchen. Start by peeling off the outer layers of the garlic and separating the cloves. Then chop them into small pieces. They don't have to be too finely minced. Once that's done, place the chopped garlic into a clean bottle or jar. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and about 80 milliliters, around 3 ounces of white vinegar. Next, pour in some water, close the lid tightly, and shake the bottle well for about a minute until everything is fully mixed. Let the mixture sit overnight. By morning, your homemade cleaner is ready to use. When washing dishes or cleaning greasy pans, simply spray or pour a little of this garlic cleaner onto the surface. Wipe it with a damp cloth, then rinse with warm water. You'll see the grease dissolve quickly, leaving your kitchenware shiny and spotless. The baking soda breaks down the oil, while the natural compounds in garlic disinfect and neutralize odors, leaving behind a light, fresh scent. This gentle cleaner is completely non-toxic and eco-friendly, yet strong enough to make your entire kitchen sparkle. Once you try it, you might never want to go back to chemical cleaners again. Tip 4. Make a natural insect repellent for houseplants, using garlic. If you love growing flowers or keeping houseplants, this next tip is going to be a game changer. Sprouted garlic can be turned into a natural chemical-free insect repellent that protects your plants, keeps pests away, and even helps them grow stronger. Start by chopping several cloves of sprouted garlic into small pieces. The finer you chop, the better the garlic can release its natural compounds. Then place the chopped garlic into a small spray bottle, filling it about 1/3 of the way. Add clean water until the bottle is nearly full. Close the lid tightly and shake it well for about a minute. This helps the garlic blend evenly into the water and release its sulfur-based aroma, the very scent that most insects can't stand. Now simply spray this garlic water directly on the leaves and stems of your plants, especially on the underside of leaves where tiny pests like to hide. You can also spray it around the soil or the base of the plant for extra protection. The strong smell will drive away mosquitoes, aphids, and other small bugs that often harm your plants. What makes this method so special is that it's completely natural and safe. No toxic chemicals, no risk to your family pets or the environment. You can repeat this process every few days or once a week, depending on how often you water your plants. In addition to keeping pests away, garlic water also has a mild antibacterial and antifungal effect, which helps prevent mold and diseases that can damage your plants. Plus, the nutrients in garlic, like potassium and sulfur, can actually nourish the soil and encourage healthier growth. After a couple of weeks, you'll start to notice your plants looking greener and livelier and healthier. The leaves will shine more brightly and your garden or balcony will feel fresher than ever. So next time your garlic sprouts, don't throw it away. Turn it into a simple natural spray that keeps your plants safe, beautiful, and thriving all year round. It's an easy way to care for your garden while keeping your home chemical-free and full of life. Sprouted garlic may look like something to toss out, but as you've seen today, it's actually a little treasure hiding in your kitchen. From fertilizing your plants and removing shoe odor, to cleaning greasy dishes and protecting your flowers from pests, every part of it can be put to good use. These small habits don't just save money, they also make your home cleaner, greener, and healthier in the most natural way. If today's tips inspired you, I'd love to hear which one you're going to try first. Leave me a comment below and share your own ideas for reusing sprouted garlic. I always enjoy learning from you too. And don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who love simple home hacks, and subscribe to Tracy Tips for more easy, practical ways to make everyday life a little smarter and more joyful.